I went on a hunt for the greatest money advice ever told, and after reading countless books and endless papers, I realized something that even shocked me. Why is nobody talking about this? We all know the money quotes from Warren Buffett, Ben Graham, and even Lambo-loving Andrew Tate. But what I found is something hidden within every investing book ever written. And the funny thing is, it's arguably the most important thing investors actually have to learn. So in this video, I'm going to show you why this is the most important thing you can learn, a tip to leverage it like a pro, and also the simplest strategy to use that will send your wealth to the moon. But to learn why this lesson is so important, we must first understand the problem itself by taking a road trip to Scotland. Let's say you live in London, and your best mate Elon calls you up and says,
"Hey Pete, can you pick me up in Edinburgh?"
Now you instantly think to yourself, that's 400 miles. But being a good friend, you jump into your car and start heading to your destination. A little over 2 hours in, you're well on your way. But then you see something you just cannot ignore. You're passing Birmingham, and there's a signpost there for a very, very special place you just have to visit. After all, Elon won't mind a slight detour, provided that you pick him up a gift for his upcoming birthday. You park up, and then you enter the wonderful world of the Pen Museum, Birmingham. You have a great time. You learn a lot of facts like you can draw 29,249 smiley faces with a standard ballpoint pen. You also know that when you give a pen a person, there's a 95% chance that the first thing they write is their name. The other 5% write subscribe. On leaving the Pencil Museum, of course, you stop off at the gift shop and you found the perfect pen for signing contracts. And you think Elon's gonna love this. Chuffed about your birthday gift to Elon, you jump back in your car and knock out another 100 miles. But then you see it. You're approaching Leeds and you see the ultimate museum, something Elon himself would love to visit, the Dog Collar Museum of Leeds. I mean, Elon loves a dog collar. He even puts them on his girlfriends. So you do what any good friend would do and stop off for a second birthday gift. You come out with the perfect dog collar, and now Elon has two amazing birthday gifts. Something his girlfriends can wear at night in the bedroom, and a pen to sign any contracts in space. But then it hits you. Pens need gravity. What if Elon goes on a SpaceX trip with this pen and he can't bloody use it? So you frantically jump onto Google and find the perfect replacement gift. The Pencil Museum in the Lake District. Let's go. Now this is a slight detour. In fact, 150 miles. But you know that Elon desperately needs this. You walk into the museum and you are instantly granted by a 25-foot pencil, and then you leave with another perfect gift. You get in your car thinking, Elon's gonna love this. But then he calls.
Where are you?
I've just got you a gift, mate. All is good. I'm on my way.
Pete, I've been stuck in Edinburgh fucking train station for 8 hours.
Yeah, but I got you a gift,
I'm
mate.
the richest man in the fucking world.
Yeah,
you think I
but
need your dumb gifts?
it's your birthday.
I just needed a ride. You know what? Fuck this. I'm gonna call Zuck.
Elon! Fuck.
Now you might be thinking, what the flying Tesla has all of this got to do with investing? But that's also the point. All of these books, all of these interviews from legendary iconic investors all subtly repeat one thing. In the story, the car is the overall market, and I was spending way too much time out of it. Elon was the destination, all my financial goals, and I shouldn't be distracted on how to actually get there. According to NerdWallet, 60% of Americans, that's 155 million adults, do not have a retirement-specific account. Yet we all know that's where we're heading. That is our Elon, that is our destination. So why are people not using it? And more importantly, putting in money every single month without distraction? In my one-on-one calls, I'm seeing more and more that people are just not doing this consistently. They do a bit here and there sometimes. They seem to throw in money when they have it, and it is a amateur investing mistake. All of the books, the papers, the icons, they are always investing. And the reality is, most people watching this are just not, or at least not with the same consistency needed to reach financial freedom. So how can you fix it? Well, the simplest way is invest on the same day you get paid your salary. And I mean the very same day, regardless if it's a weekend. Put it in your account and set your order ready to go on Monday. I cannot emphasize enough how important this step is. It's literally the most important thing you can do to secure your financial future. Another thing that you just have to do to rocket this figure to the moon is you have to get your employer to do a contribution match on your pension. It's literally free money each and every month, and you just have to do this. If you can take these two steps of investing on your payday and getting your employer to match it, eventually you will not fail. You will rocket your wealth to standards you never even dreamed of. Now, I know it's easier said than done investing without fail. Some months you just have unexpected bills and you cannot invest. And that is why you must watch this video next to make sure you maximize your chances of reaching financial freedom.